Hmm. So I just went out to buy some calories. This is, look, this is not that important, but important for few people. I hear a lot of cries. Huh? And this same thing happened in Chembur West as well. समझे? Not the entire Chembur. So, look, what this thing creates, I still don't know. I gave this my condition right from the beginning that I cannot be with anyone no matter 1,000 messages are planted. This is, look, this much is not enough that you people can work and there will be a special preference of casting over here. Huh? So, first preference will be given to this building. Is this not enough? Huh? And the one who sold the files, let the entire country look after them. You don't even have to bother them. No one is going to bother you. No one, you don't. No one is. What do you call it? You don't have to fight for anything over there. Let the entire country ministers take care of them. But you people work on your thing. So, but don't get any fancy ideas. I gave my condition right from the beginning. Look, I have to portray myself of something which I was not, but I have to do that because I wanted time and I wanted to hit on the prostitution racket, which runs in high profile areas. That's how they are connected to film industry, the prostitution racket. Hmm. So that was the thing I have to expose. Huh? And I needed time to understand as well. And look, now I got hit. I got a hit prostitution racket. What if after this assignment, my next assignment is to write about drugs? Then any country I visit, I have to write about drugs, drug cartel. Then I have to do drugs in their country to get inside, right? To get on yo-yos. Then my life is always at the risk. What if? Yeah. So I work, my pattern of work is very different. That's why, what do you call it? I have a big name regarding my work. Yeah. So I don't see who is in front of me. You can see, look at by yourself, the ministers and all. Threats, I go threats alone. I don't give a fuck. I die. I don't give a shit. So, uh, so the matter is, don't get any fancy ideas. My life is not this way. Huh? And for the fucks, those are not from here. Huh? I know my fucks. So, I hit the roads of, what do you call it, my league people. Hmm? I party with them. And who are those? Those are not from these countries. Huh? So, any fancy ideas of marriages or anything, I gave this in Chembur as well. No, it's never gonna happen. It would have happened 10 years back then. Hmm. But 10 years back, I was a kid. But I was in a hurry of marriage and that thing पूरा ये हो गया था. So anyways, leave it. So don't get any fancy ideas. I didn't give any commitment of, what do you call, staying at one place all my life. It's never gonna happen. It's never gonna happen, trust me. It's never gonna happen. Staying at one place. It's impossible for me. So I gave everything right in front. Don't get any fancy ideas. Same as Chembur, I gave this details. Don't get any fancy ideas. And if they say that what is wrong, it's nothing wrong. I am fancy for everyone. It's not like that no, anyone is more pretty, less pretty. It's not like that. But the thing is, I have a thing that I travel. I keep on traveling, hmm? And I keep on meeting people, and I keep on, what do you call it, friends. Then no friends. I mean, we are always friends. matlab the people who I meet, but I have to move forward. I have to go for my next work, next assignment. So this is how my life is, and I get bored at one place. I am very restless. So don't get any what do you call it? Any fancy ideas. I gave it in the best. I gave all the truth in front of everyone. That for to catch those that prostitution racket, I have to hit on hookers. Huh? So, so did I do it or not? And did I expose them? They are connected to it or not? So, me consider me. I am here in the somewhere in the index finger. The prostitute, the this thing, this extortion, be message planting were here, and the prostitution is the pinky. So me index meets here, huh? To catch who? This thumb. Yeah. You have no idea my pattern of my work, the pattern of my work. You have to take the and knowledge. You have to have that knowledge. Hmm. To catch the thumb, where this index finger went, near the pinky. Hmm. So, so look, if those are not the prostitutes, those are not the street hookers from the Chembur West, how the clone phone is there in their hand and they are caught in the surveillance? I know something which you don't know and which they are going to put you there in time when they get older. That's how things work. I said enough.